I did get it running finally. Show you what it's doing. Now it's not coating for anything, but this pulley right there, I think on top is what's making all that noise. What I'm not quite sure about, and I don't like, I'm getting smoke out the back. And it's dark, so you can't really see it very good. I don't really know what it is. It's kind of got a smell, but I don't really know how to describe it. It's kind of like a... It's not a sulfur smell. I don't think it's quite a oil smell either though. But it's doing that. Why it wouldn't run before was because of the I had 3 cylinders that were dead. They had 0 compression because I misadjusted the valves. So I set the valves with the engine running this time and got them all set right. I've just got that pulley making all that racket, and I've got an oil leak that's dripping down there, slight oil leak out of the oil cooler line. So I'm gonna have to replace that before I drive it too far. But I got it running. I'm gonna let it run just for a little bit to see if it maybe stops smoking. It looks like it has let up quite a bit on the smoking. So maybe it's a brand new short block. The heads aren't new though, but I cleaned them up and what do you call it? Not honing it, grinded the valves. So I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit longer. See, maybe if it stops smoking. Before, when I revved it, it would smoke really bad. But it may just be the engine breaking in, I don't know. I'm gonna hold this here and then rev it a little bit. Oh, it looks like it stopped smoking. So maybe there was just junk in the tailpipe. Looks like it's still smoking just a tiny bit. It almost smells like campfire. It's just got that, it almost smells like burning plastic or something. Best way I could describe it. But it's running and I'm really happy that I finally got this stupid thing running. I spent a ton of work on this. So I'm just happy that it's running. It's running and it seems to be running good. There it is at 2,000 RPM. And look, no engine code whatsoever. And it's idling right where it needs to, 500 or so RPM. A tiny bit of visible smoke. And I'm wondering if part of that's from the old engine that was trash in here. The catalytic converters got a ton of junk in it, maybe burning out. But even when I did that, it didn't smoke much at all, so I'm gonna call it good for now and then fix the oil leaks and then it'll be ready to go.